We've got a regular Ryobi battery here. All my tools are Ryobi. Have you seen the price of Ryobi batteries at the store? Have you seen them? They are ridiculous. I do everything in my power to try to not have to buy my batteries from the store. Big question I have here is, do these batteries work? Are they going to charge? And are your regular Ryobi batteries going to charge in the charger that they give you? So first things first, they do give you a charger. So these are the 18-volt batteries. This is what they give you. There's 2 of these, okay? They look just almost identical to your regular Ryobis, okay? The same footprint, same profile. Here's the charger that they give you. You can see right here, we've got this plugged in and we've got the red there. So let's pop it in and you can see right here, we are green. Turn it around and they are gonna give you the indicator here. So if you got this plugged in, there you go, it fits. This is one of my drills that I use all the time, okay? So the question is, if we push this button, there we go. It's gonna show us we got 3 bars there. That's key because you don't ever wanna really be up on a ladder and run out of power. So you can always know what you got going on power level wise. Here's a regular Ryobi battery. So this is telling us we've got a little 1 bar there. Question I have is, can you put a regular Ryobi battery into this charger? Is it gonna work? So let's pop it in. We're gonna turn it around and you can see right here, we are charging. So it is backwards compatible, meaning you can put the regular Ryobi batteries in this charger that they give you, and you're getting a 2-pack here. These are the 18-volt, so this solves that problem, and they work just the same. It's like a no-brainer, okay? So you've got the charger, you got the 2 batteries here, you got a nice, I don't know, 3 or 4 foot long power cord for the charger. There's really no sacrifice. You're getting the same performance, and you're getting it for much less. So they did a great job with this. Definitely pick up this 2-pack with the charger, and yeah, continue to enjoy your Ryobi tools. That's my quick review. Thanks for watching.